Dealing with taxes can be a real headache, especially if you're facing issues like back taxes, wage garnishments, or unfiled returns. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by tax paperwork or struggled to find solutions, there are companies out there like the Tax Hardship Center that can help people and businesses deal with tax issues and find the right solutions. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm gonna walk you through everything that you need to know about the Tax Hardship Center, including what they do, the services that they offer, and how their process works. And so hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to figure out whether the Tax Hardship Center is the right fit for you and your needs. And if at any point you decide to get in touch with the Tax Hardship Center, just check out the description down below. There is a link where you can get more information as well as a free consultation. And if you use the affiliate link, it won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that you wouldn't get if you went by going directly to their website. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so if you don't know anything about the Tax Hardship Center, it's a company that helps individuals and businesses manage and resolve tax issues at both the federal and state levels. Whether you're dealing with problems like tax levies, wage garnishments, payroll taxes, or unfiled tax returns, they provide the support that you need. And they also offer tax preparation services for both businesses and individuals, making sure your taxes are up to date, especially during significant life events like marriage, buying a house, or handling an inheritance. And for over a decade, the Tax Hardship Center has been helping Americans get out of tax debt, and so they work with all kinds of clients, from individuals to small businesses and even large corporations across all 50 states. The company has a solid track record, using their expertise to look at each case and figure out the best way to handle it, whether you're dealing with current or overdue tax issues. Their main goal is to stop any collection actions against you and make sure you're following tax regulations. So how does the Tax Hardship Center actually help you? Well, it's pretty straightforward. First, you start with a free consultation, where you can either call them directly or fill out a simple form on their website. From there on out, you'll be connected with a tax expert who will listen to your situation and gather all the necessary details. For example, if you're dealing with back taxes, they'll work with the IRS on your behalf to find the best solution, whether that's setting up a payment plan or negotiating a settlement. And so you don't need to worry, as they'll guide you through the entire process. Then, once they understand your case, the Tax Hardship Center gets to work on your behalf. They'll contact the IRS or state tax authorities for you, collecting all the information needed to find the best solution. Whether you're dealing with back taxes, wage garnishments, or unfiled returns, they'll figure out the best course of action for your specific situation. And finally, they'll put together a plan to resolve your tax issues and help you get back on track. Their goal is not to only fix the problem, but also to make sure you stay on good terms with the IRS in the future. And throughout the entire process, they keep you informed and guide you every step of the way. That being said, the Tax Hardship Center offers a wide range of services to help with all sorts of tax issues. Whether you're dealing with back taxes, unfiled returns, wage garnishments, or tax liens, they've got you covered. They offer solutions like IRS and state tax relief, penalty abatement, and installment agreements tailored to your specific needs. They even handle more complex cases, like those labeled as currently not collectible, which many other services might avoid. But no matter how simple or complicated your tax situation is, the Tax Hardship Center has the expertise to find the best path solution for you. Now, in terms of their pricing, they offer a free initial consultation, so you can get an idea of what they can do for you without any commitment. And if you decide to move forward, the cost of their services start at $495, but it can go up depending on the complexity of your case and the specific services that you need. On average though, most clients pay around $3,750 to resolve their tax issues. Still, one thing to note is that Tax Hardship Center might not take your case if your tax debt is less than $10,000, but they do offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, giving you some peace of mind if for whatever reason you decide that the service isn't for you after signing up. Now, even though the Tax Hardship Center's cost may seem a bit high, the information they have and the money they might be able to save you will often more than cover the fees. And remember, they'll give you a customized quote after your first consultation, so you'll know exactly what to expect before moving forward. Besides that, it's always helpful to know what others who have used the service have to say before making a decision. And so the Tax Hardship Center has built a strong reputation of reviews from clients. Like on Trustpilot, they've got a 4.7 out of 5 stars, with customers praising their customer service, expertise, and the relief they felt after resolving their tax issues. On top of that, many clients have shared that they've made the process so much less stressful and helped them achieve better outcomes than they expected. Plus, they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, which goes to show their commitment to quality service and their clients' happiness. So now that we've covered customer feedback, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. So the Tax Hardship Center stands out for its strong track record in resolving tax issues, backed by over a decade of experience. And so what really makes them a great choice is their ability to handle a wide variety of tax issues, from back taxes to wage garnishments and unfiled returns, making them a comprehensive solution for anyone in need of tax relief. On top of that, clients often highlight the personalized approach that they receive, with solutions made specifically to fit their situations, which is a big reason why they've earned high ratings on platforms like Trustpilot and the Better Business Bureau. And while the Tax Hardship Center has a lot of positives, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like, they might not take your case if your tax debt is less than $10,000, which could be a limitation for some people who need help with smaller tax problems. Another point is that while they have a strong reputation, specific details about the qualifications of their experts aren't always highlighted, but the team's proven track record and customer satisfaction suggests that they are well equipped to handle your tax concerns. So wrapping up this review, if you're asking whether I'd recommend the Tax Hardship Center, absolutely. They've got a solid track record of helping people sort out even the toughest tax problems, and their personalized approach really sets them apart. Whether you're dealing with back taxes, wage garnishments, or unfiled returns, they've proven that they can handle it all. And so if you need a reliable, experienced team to help you get back on track, the Tax Hardship Center is definitely worth checking out. Anyway, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you decide to get in touch with the Tax Hardship Center, just check out the description down below. There's a link where you can get more details and even a free consultation. Plus, if you use the affiliate link, it won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that you wouldn't get by going directly to their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.